So take me down to your level. Oh, you know it's unstable up here from the way you move. So give me something to hold on to. No, I've never been a one to give in, but there's just something about you. So come on up, 'cause we can make headroom in this room for one bedroom. You know that we can make room for two. So if you're good, then I'm better, with us just never leaving this room. But your past foul place from your earlier days has left you all alone. Put me in a to let you know that I won't let you go. Just to let you know, just to let you know. Walk me around your neighborhood fortune. The small steps we go through are bigger than they seem.